Here are the 10 best easy outfits that anyone out there could pull off every single day. Guys, let's skip the intro and let's jump in on the list. So let's go. Starting with number 1, my favorite combo is to wear a hoodie and cargo pants. The easiest combo to elevate your style for daily use, in my opinion. Wear your favorite color combo, but I would suggest a color combo for this outfit is to go with black hoodie and olive green cargo pants. Pair with your favorite sneakers and you are good to go. It's a fail-safe combo. Next, we have sweater and chino pants. For those men who love to have that casual look every day, this is it. Super easy to pull off. Simply grab your favorite sweater. It doesn't matter if you like oversized or not. Pair with chino pads and finish the look with casual sneakers. Color combos that I would suggest for daily use are black and khaki or gray and navy blue chino pants. Third on the list, we have a polo shirt plus jeans combo. If there's an outfit that I see every day, this is the one. However, many men love to wear big logos or company logos with their polo shirts, which are unappealing in my opinion. Stick with subtle or no logo polo shirts just like this one that I bought from Express. Easily paired with your favorite fit of jeans and either throw on a casual sneakers or boot. I would also add a watch to get your style more elevated. Number 4, let's go back with a hoodie, but this time paired with your favorite pair of sweatpants. For ultimate comfort and style, you must try this combination. You're probably already doing it since it's such an easy go-to combo. The only rule that I would apply to this is to go with relaxed fitting hoodie and sweatpants just to kind of hop on this loose fitting trends, and it is just visually appealing to look at. This is my go-to outfit when I literally don't know what to wear or going for a walk. Okay, we are now moving on to the last 5 of this list. They are still easy to pull off, but some of this combination may be a little tough to get it together, just because each one of us have our own different preferences when it comes to color or outerwear. Anyways, next on the list, we have white t-shirt and jeans. Sounds easy, but you'll be surprised that many men out there don't like wearing white t-shirts at all. If you're that person, this is the time for you to try this out. Easy to put together, simply stylish, and you can't go wrong wearing this out in public. Something about wearing a t-shirt that makes it so powerful. Just make sure the t-shirt you're wearing fits your body type, no wrinkles, and feel free to add a necklace and watch, and you are set to go. All right, number 6. We are simply adding a little pattern to the look, which is to add a flannel. Your white tee and jeans combo can simply elevate more by adding your favorite flannel shirt. My number 1 go-to layering piece in the fall season, something about the texture and patterns that makes your overall look put together. Rugged look, yet casual, in which a perfect case for daily use, especially when going out for a happy hour. Now, if a flannel shirt is not your style, then feel free to swap it with a bomber jacket. Bomber jacket is a timeless piece that goes so well with different outfit combinations. It makes you look manlier, it makes you look cool, it makes you feel like you own the street. At least in my head when I wear this. Feel free to combine it with white t-shirt and jeans, or swap out the jeans for jogger pants for a leisure look. So that's the number 7 outfit combo. Now let's move on to number 8, which is a cardigan plus chino pant. Yes, a grandpa sweater is something you need to think about adding to your closet. Comfort, versatility, and an excellent layering piece, which if you combine with this chino pants, you are creating that laid-back, comfortable look. Depending on the design and color, it can add a personality and style to an otherwise simple outfit. Number 9, we have chambray shirt and chino pants. Office workers love this outfit combination because it gives that smart, casual vibe look. It's classic and versatile combination that simply looks good in any man. Having this combination to strike a balance between a laid-back, comfortable vibe and a more refined appearance, which is appropriate for both casual and slightly more formal occasions. And we are down to our last easy outfit combination, which is the polo shirt plus jeans with tracker jacket or denim jacket. Depends on which one do you prefer, but this outfit combination gives that casual and cool vibe. Another effortlessly style piece that suits every man in any age. I love this one that I put together. It's still denim on denim, but I am wearing colored jeans in forest green color. I know some folks don't like the tracker jacket because of the fit, but I find it as a must-have outerwear in your closet because it's a layering piece that can easily elevate your outfit for everyday use. Well, folks, that's my top 10 easy outfit combination that you could wear for everyday use. Which one is your favorite go-to outfit? Put that comment below and let me know. And as always, stay safe and stylish. You guys have a great one. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.